Smart tag will be given to victims of domestic abuse, and the product comes in a small canister which is used to spray against another person, which leaves watermarks on clothing or on their skin. So each individual smart tag has its own unique identification number. This is very similar to like a DNA reference. You then use a UV torch to reflect against it to see if there is a presence. Take a sample of it, so with the DNA kit, send it to forensic so that we can match up the product from the canister to that individual person. We will be able to gather the evidence to be able to identify a perpetrator who has been at a property. It isn't easily washed off and it remains as a residue either on your clothing or on your skin for quite a long period of time. The DeterTech products ensures that we're able to continue with evidence-led prosecutions, which are vitally important for prosecutions at court.